Hey everybody, Mr. Jake here for another fun episode of Uke Time. And today we are going to be taking on one of the greatest songs of all time, Stand By Me. And I hope you will stand by me in my belief that this is one of the greatest songs ever written because it's about people connecting. And people are what life is all about, whether it's people that you care about, people who care about you, people you meet on the internet who want to show you cool things like how to play ukulele, or maybe even playing music for people to make their day better. So no matter what, people are what life is all about. They're the most important thing, and that's what this song means, and that's why it means so much to so many people. Now when we play it today, we're going to be using 4 different chords. We're going to be using our red, which is our C chord. We're going to be going with our middle only across to A minor. Ooh, and if you don't know about A minor, you might also want to check out my song video on Sunflower by Swae Lee and Post Malone from the Into the Spider-Verse movie. That's a fun one that uses A minor. But after this, we are going to be adding our pointer for all the blue together for F. We're going to be finishing up with a yellow to brighten things up and turn it around. And then bring it back on home to red again. So as we play through this, we're going to be practicing counting because the pattern goes 8, 8, 4, 4, 8. Can you say that with me? 8, 8, 4, 4, 8, 8, 8, 4, 4, 8. What this means is 8 strums first on C. So strum those 8 with me. Ready? Get on the red chord. We're going to go 1, 2, 8 strums, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to go middle across. That's our second 8 for A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we add the pointer, but this is one of our 4s, so let's play a blue for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our second 4 is yellow for 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we finish up with our last 8 on red. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if you didn't notice, we start with 8 on red and we end with 8 on red. One of the biggest mistakes I see students make is they skip one of the 8s because they think I played 8 on red, so on to the next one. The truth is, if you play 8 at the end on red and then 8 at the beginning on red, it might feel like you're hanging out on red for a long time on this song. And that's totally okay. You might think about it as 16 red, okay, because it's still groups of 4. But no matter what, it's 8 C at the beginning, 8 A minor after that, then 4 F, 4 G, and then finish up with 8 C at the end, and then we're back up to 8 C at the top. So let's try to sing this through together because sometimes it helps to tell ourselves a story. So let's sing it like this. 1, 2, 3. Start on red, across to A minor, and a A minor. 4 on blue, there's our blue. 4 on yellow, 8 on red. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on red. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, across to A minor, and 8 A minor, 6, 7, add the pointer, 4 on blue, 2, 3, 4 on yellow, 8 on red. So stay on red, and 8 on A minor, 4 on blue, 4 on yellow, 8 on red. One more time, sing it with me. And 8 more strums on red, 8 on red, 8 on A minor, A minor. Add the pointer for 4 on G, back to red, thing is the same. 8, 8, 4, 4, 8, 8, 8, 4, 4, 8. And it's one of the greatest songs you can practice to get you knowing all 4 chords of C, A minor, F, and G. I highly recommend you rewind it, practice along with me, practice at your own pace, listen to it, enjoy it, but love this song and you will indeed be a lover of good music. Thanks so much, everybody. Hope you enjoyed and practice up this song. See you next time on Uke Time.